Let us see the processes causing the wave formation. Ocean waves are undulations of the sea surface with unique properties. The surface appears to be composed of random waves of various lengths and periods. Ocean waves are mostly produced by the wind. The faster the wind, the longer the wind blows, and the bigger the area over which the wind blows, the bigger the waves generated in that region. Wave phenomena involves the transmission of energy and momentum by means of vibrating impulses through the states of matter. The particles which constitute the medium simply move in a forward, backward and circular pattern, transmitting the energy from one place to the other. These waves may range from tiny ripples caused on the surface of a lake to a gigantic roller coasters seen in the oceans. The most prominent factors involved in the formation of waves on a water body include the wind speed, depth of the water and the fetch. Fetch is the distance covered by the wind. The generation of sea waves are caused by the following factors: atmospheric circulation and wind, movement of fluids of two contrasting density along the interface of two fluids of different densities, then movement of turbidity currents, then earth induced tectonic forces, underwater volcanic eruptions, gravitational forces of the sun and the moon, atmospheric storms, and also nuclear tests and missile operations. Wave formation is a very unique and complicated process. The three main factors that cause waves in the oceans are the speed of the wind, the distance of the water over which the wind has blown, and the duration of time the wind has blown over the surface of the water. The greater each of the above factors is, the larger will be the oceanic waves. A wave is measured by its height, that is the distance between the trough to the crest, the wavelength of the wave, that is the distance from one crest to the next, or the period of a wave, that is the time taken between two consecutive waves from a fixed point. Waves come in various shapes and sizes. The size of the wave depends on the velocity of the wind. The faster the wind is blowing, the bigger will be the nature of the waves. This is the reason the waves which form during a storm, wherein the wind speed is quite high, are bigger than the waves we see daily. Wave formation involves two basic types of forces: those that are initially disturbing the water and those that act to restore the equilibrium or promoting the still water condition. Wind causes most of the oceanic waves. Winds are highly variable. The third disturbing force is the attraction of the sun and the moon on the oceanic waters. These cause the longest waves of all, called the tides. Seismic sea waves are earthquake induced waves propagated through the underwater environment. They are called as tsunamis. It may also originated due to the volcanic eruptions and tectonic movements in the deep ocean floors.